Guys, so we are back with another Mama Wise special. As I told you in a previous video, Mom is a tech kitchen guru gadget queen, and she has a new gadget for the kitchen. And we're basically today going to, or she is going to explain to you what this is, what it does, and what it comes with. Right, Mom?
Right.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. This is my new gadget, my Ninja Foodi. Okay? The Ninja Foodi is a pressure cooker.
What is a pressure cooker, Mom?
A pressure cooker is a way of cooking that you put, it has to have water, and what happens is that the water, and with a secure lid, it gets pressurized and it cooks more quickly, and whatever flavors and spices you have are infused into whatever you're cooking. So that's what a pressure cooker does. It, like it doesn't, it cooks in like about a third of the time that you would normally cook whatever you're cooking. Okay. Now it also is it's a dehydrator. And
what's a dehydrator?
Dehydrator takes the moisture out of stuff. Like if you want to have dried apricots or peaches and stuff like that, or beef jerky, it does that as well. Okay. It's also a slow cooker, which is slow cooks. Like if you want to cook something 6 to 8 hours or something like that, go out and
like a crock pot?
Yeah, slow cooker.
Ma, you also said it makes yogurt. How does this thing make yogurt? I don't understand.
That's under the slow cook function, the yogurt.
Oh, and you'll show us those little functions in a bit.
Well, yeah, there's an actual special recipe for vanilla yogurt that shows you, and I guess later on you can put fruit and stuff in.
Oh, well, one day we'll have to make yogurt for him, right, Mom?
Yeah.
Once we figure it out.
and then other thing that it does is an air crisper. What it does is it air fries. It makes French fries. Chicken wings. The crispy chicken wings. Put some buffalo sauce on them.
Some salmon.
Yeah, but now, okay, so that's basically what it does. So it's a pressure cooker, a dehydrator. It's a
air fryer,
and it's what else?
I don't know, Ma. You tell me.
There are 4 basic things that slow cooker. Slow cooker. Okay, so basically there's 4 things, but it does several things under those. Okay?
All right, Mom. Well, let's start explaining what each of these gadgets do, where they go.
I have the larger one because you cannot cook a lot with a little, but you can cook a little with a lot. So rather than getting the 6.5, I got the 8 quart. So
my girlfriend says she go big or she go home.
This is a pot. This must always go in there no matter what you are doing. It always
Y'all hear that?
Okay.
I gotta listen to Mama Why.
Now, this is the pressure cooking lid. Okay? The pressure cooking lid. This is what screws on, and it goes on real tight so nothing can go, no air can get in. This is a pressure release valve, and when you're pressure cooking, you have to have it on seal. It has to go on seal. Seal. I can't see seal.
Seal and then vent.
Seal, and then when you are releasing the pressure, it goes on vent. Okay. Now this little red thing right here. This shows you whenever you start pressure cooking, this little thing will start rising.
So this only works when you're pressure cooking, not air frying or anything else?
Oh, no. That's something different. We'll get to that.
Okay.
But another thing is when you are finished pressure cooking, you have to let this little red thing go down completely. It won't open anyway, more than likely, but it has to go down completely before it is safe to open it, whether it's a quick release or a slow release or natural release.
All right, so that's lid number 1.
Okay. Now these are the reversible racks and everything. This helps you to cook on levels. You can make like a meal. You do your meat, you can do your carbs, potatoes and things, and you can do your vegetables all in one. Okay. And then this is when you're air frying. This is the air fryer, the crisper basket.
This is what I want to use.
Yeah. Okay, and now we haven't told you. This is the top when you are air crisping. This is the lid that you will use. It does not come off. It stays on.
So when you're pressure cooking and everything else, this lid stays up and we use this lid.
Right. This is the pressure cooking lid. Like I said, this never comes off.
Well, yeah, Ma. How would it come off? Look.
Okay, so I just want to make sure you know that. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay. A little kind of deep in there. Okay. All right, Mom.
And but the thing about this lid is that you can open it at any time. When you are air frying or whatever, you can always look inside to see how things are going. You may not want it to, crisp too much. This one stays on until that little red thing is down.
And you,
that little red valve.
So how put it in, Mom? Why don't you show us how to put everything in?
Well, okay. Here's the thing that goes in all the time.
All the time.
All the time.
So this, when you're air crisping, would go inside of this?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Here you go. And that's it. You can open
that way. Or try it with this. What about this lid?
Oh. You don't use this with the pressure cooker lid.
Right, because that's just air frying.
Okay. Now here are your racks. You can just use it. Would be steaming. This side would be steaming. This side would be broiling. And then if you're cooking on levels, then you would put it like this. Okay, right there. Be careful. Oh, by the way, this pot is non-stick. It's ceramic. It cleans very easily. But you still need to be careful. You don't want to scratch. See, there it goes.
And then what about this lid, Mom?
Okay. I still have a problem sometimes putting it on effortlessly. But I will show you.
Bingo.
Shows you. I still have a hard time.
All right, Mom.
Okay.
What about all of these functions down here? What's going on down here?
Okay. This is the temperature side. Whenever you might need to, adjust the temperature, that's this side. This is the timer side and everything. These two little things here, when this lights up, you know that it's using the pressure cooker lid. When this side lights up, you're using the air fryer lid, air crisper lid. Okay. The top ones up here are for the pressure cooker. You see pressure cooker, steam, slow cooking yogurt. Okay. Now, when you're searing or sauteing, you don't have to use either lid. That's all by itself. No lid whatsoever for searing, sauteing. And then down here, this side will light up when you are using the air crisper lid. Down here is the air crisp or air fryer, bake and roast, broil, and dehydrate. This down here is when you start it. This starts it. Okay? This starts and stops. And this keeps warm.
You mean like this powers it on?
Yeah,
and this starts and stops.
It doesn't.
And this is just to keep food warm.
Yeah,
okay.
For a while.
So gotcha. What did it come with, Mom?
Well, that's what it comes, and it comes with other accessories, but those are extra. You have to pay extra in order those. This is the owner's manual. It gives you all the precautions on what to do and what not to do. It's a cheat sheet. Okay, gives you a few basic things and when to use the pressure cooker and air crisper and all of that kind of stuff. It is a cheat sheet. Here is the recipe book. Okay, it has about 40-some recipes in there. You can see dehydrating. It does not only roast and chicken, but it does sweets. You can bake in here as well. Look at those delicious chicken wings. Okay, 40-some recipes. And here's the infamous homemade vanilla yogurt.
Yep, for 8 hours.
Yeah, it has to incubate. Okay, it's a lot of steps to this. It's not just in and out. It's very precise and everything.
All right, Mom. Well, let's tell them, where did you get this from and how much did it cost and all that good stuff.
Okay. As usual, I purchased it from either QVC or HSN. This time I purchased it from QVC.
And that's the same place that you ordered the New Wave.
Yes, yes. And you can either pay the whole amount or monthly payments, which is what I like. It makes it easier on you and everything. And what it does, it was like $200-some, but it was on a special, so I got about $90 off with free shipping and handling.
Probably because it's the holiday season, just like you did with the New Wave.
Yeah.
All right, Mom.
So that's it.
I was gonna say, is there anything else that you need to tell them?
Nothing else.
All right, guys. So that is the Ninja Foodi. We're gonna make something for you guys soon. Probably a ham. We're going to try a ham. We did a turkey in the New Wave. So look out for that. And if you like this video and if you want to see more videos with Mama Y, be sure to like. What, Mom? What's the rest?
Like, share, comment, and all that kind of stuff. All that good stuff.
All right, guys. Until next time. Thanks for watching.